All right, so here's everything that's going to come in your kit. So of course you're going to have your main component here, which is going to be your laser level, and you can see that it's got the horizontal and the vertical laser. Now this is going to be made out of a shock resistant rubber, so I do love the fact that this is going to be able to withstand a lot on the job site. Now down here at the bottom you've got two different screw attachments. You've got the larger, and then you've got your smaller traditional tripod attachment. Down here on the bottom as well, you've got your battery, which is going to be inside of this waterproof enclosure right here. Now you could either take this battery out and use the charger that came with it, or you could actually just leave it in here. And there's also going to be a cable connection over on the side right here that you can pop the rubber off and actually charge it while it's in here. So just depending, you know, if you really need to be using it and the battery is dead, you could pop it out and switch it out with the secondary battery that comes with it while the other one is in the base charging. Then we've got our receiver right here. So this is going to be great for doing any type of surveying. You could see that it is a pretty small device. It's also going to come with some AA batteries that are going to go in here. And it's also going to have an attachment. So if you wanted to attach your receiver to anything, you'll see that it's got a clamp arm right here that'll basically spin on with some rubberized, and you can attach this pretty much anywhere. I love the fact that this kit is going to come with so many different accessories that'll work in every situation. It's also going to come with this magnetic mount as well, so if you wanted to mount this anywhere, and it's going to come with this rotary mount as well. It'll also have this remote that's going to access your horizontal and your vertical, so you could switch those off and on. You can change the brightness, and you could also change the mode right there. In addition, it's also going to have this target plate, and it's going to come with all the manuals. I love the fact that they actually created a little slot inside of the casing here for the manuals. So just in case if you needed to refer to anything, you're actually able to just leave those in there, and they're not going to be flying all over the place like a normal case would be. Now the case itself, it's going to have this rubberized it's going to have this foam piece here, which is going to have the cutouts for every single piece. Oh, also including the glasses. So you also have these glasses to protect your eyes as well. Up here at the top, it's also got this foam up here on the top, which is kind of just going to hold everything in place. Then you've got your two clamp arms right there. The case has a handle, and it's going to be pretty sturdy, heavy duty plastic case to carry it around. So that's everything that's going to come with this kit. If you're looking to get a auto leveling laser, then I would highly recommend picking this up.